Hello everybody, it's Crystal. So today I'm going to show you how to make this cute gift for any coffee lover. It's a coaster set for that espresso cappuccino lover in your life. Isn't that adorable? So all you really need is a cup. This is a 8-ounce cup, and it holds 3 coasters, but you can get a bigger cup, I'm certain, and for it to hold more. And then you just on out. There we go. And now you got a coaster. Super cute. Yeah, quick and easy. Fun. Adorbs. Let's get started. Alright, for this project I am using KC cotton, which I purchased online at Joann's. It's a 100% cotton yarn, 180 yards or 165 meters per ball. And for 4 coasters, projects, the color I have here is called Sequoia. Of this color, probably 3/4 of, probably half a ball maybe for 4 coasters, not very much. But you don't, and it's a 3-weight, it's a 3-weight cotton. You don't have to use this, you can use whatever you want. And the lighter color here is the same brand, and it's called S'mores. And about maybe a little bit more, 3/4 of a ball of that, or something like that. And we're going to be using a size H, which is a 5mm crochet hook. Alright, so you want to start out with a slip knot on your hook, and we are going to work a chain of 4. And then we're going to slip stitch into our first stitch to form a ring. If you want to use the magic circle here, that would be fine as well. But I'm going to go ahead and do this chain 4 slip stitch method for my ring. I'm going to chain 1, which does not count as a stitch. I'm going to be working through the center of that ring that I just made, and I need to work 12 double crochets through that ring. So remember that chain 1 doesn't count as 1. So there's 1. Yarn over, put your hook through the ring, grab your yarn back, pull it back through, and then do double crochet. That's 2, 3, there's 4, and you want to keep going until you get a total of 12. Okay, I have 12 double crochets, so I come to the end of round 1. I'm going to slip stitch into my first stitch to form a ring, or I'm sorry, to end the row. I don't know what I was thinking. There we go. 12 double crochets at the end of row 1. Now we will start row 2 with the chain 1. That does not count as a stitch. Now we're going to go back into this same stitch here that we slip stitched into, and we're going to work 2 double crochets into that stitch. So there's 1, and back into the same stitch again, makes 2. Now we're going to work around, and we're going to put 2 double crochets into every stitch all the way around, excuse me, until we make it back around to the end of round 2. 2 in this one, and then you jump to the next one, 2 doubles, jump to the next one, 2 doubles, and I'm going to continue this pattern of 2 double crochets in every stitch, and I'll see you right back here in just a second. Alright, so I come to the end of round 2. You should have a total of 24 stitches now. We're going to go ahead and end by slip stitching into our first double crochet. That ends round 2, and we'll go ahead and start round 3. Chain 1, again, does not count as a stitch. We're going to go back into that same spot that we just slip stitched into, and we're going to work 1 double crochet into that spot. And then the next stitch, we're going to put 2 double crochets into the same stitch. So there's 1 and 2. So that's the pattern we're going to repeat for row 3. We're going to put 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then the next stitch we're going to put 2 double crochets into the same stitch like that. Again, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, And then the next stitch we put 2 doubles into the same stitch. So we're going to go ahead and repeat this pattern of 1 double and then 2 doubles, 1 double and then 2 doubles all the way around until we make it back around to the end of round 3. All right, I'm coming to the end of round 3. Your last stitch should have had 2 double crochets in it, and you should have a total of 36 stitches now. We're going to go ahead and end that by slip stitching into our first double crochet. And then we're going to do one more round with this color. So round 4, we're going to chain 1, which does not count as a stitch. And we're going to put a 1 double crochet right back into that same first stitch that we just slip stitched into. And then we're going to put 1 double crochet into the next stitch. So counting that first double there, we have 1, 2 double crochets in a row. In the next stitch, we're going to put 2 doubles into the same stitch. So that will be the repeat for round 4. 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So there's 1, there's 2, and then the next stitch will be 2 doubles into the same stitch. 1, 2, into the same. Again, 1 double into each of the next 2. There's 1 double into that one, 1 double into the next one, and then the next one, 2 doubles into the same stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat this for round 4. 1 double, 1 double, 2 doubles, 1 double, 1 double, 2 doubles, all the way around, and I'll see you at the end of round 4. All right, coming to the end of row 4, you should have ended with 2 doubles into your last stitch, and you should have a total of 48 stitches. We'll go ahead and slip stitch into our first double crochet, and we can clip this yarn off. So I'm gonna, sorry about that. Slip stitch, and I'm gonna clip this color. It's okay if it's flipping up on you a bit. It'll lay flat whenever we use the other color. All right. Now I'm using the lighter color for the froth or the foam or whatever that is. I don't drink coffee, so I don't know. So you can start wherever you want in any stitch here. And go ahead and start your yarn. Chain 1, which does not count as a stitch. Okay, so we're going to work in this stitch. We're going to work 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Then we're going to chain 2, and we're going to go back into the same stitch and work 2 more double crochets. So that's a double V stitch. That's what we just did. 2 doubles, chain 2, 2 doubles. Now we're going to start the repeat by skipping 2 stitches, skip, skip, and working the double V stitch into the next. So skip, skip, next one. We work the 2 doubles, chain 2, and 2 doubles. And this is what we're going to repeat all the way around until we get back to our starting point. Again, skip 2, skip, skip, and in the next one, our double V, which is 2 doubles, chain 2, 2 doubles, all into the same stitch. Skip 2, skip, skip, and next one, our double V stitch, 2 doubles, chain 2, 2 doubles. And I'm going to go ahead and repeat this pattern all the way around. This is round 5 we're on. And I'll be back up with you here at the beginning. Should have 2 stitches left after your last double V stitch. See you in a second. All right, I'm coming to the end of round 5, and I have 2 stitches that remain. We're going to skip those and go ahead and end by slip stitching into our first double crochet, and you should have 16 of these double V stitches. All right, now what we're going to do is slip stitch 2 times to get to this chain 2 space. So we're going to slip stitch into this next double crochet, And then we're going to slip stitch into the chain space like that. Okay, now we're going to chain 1, which does not count as a stitch. And we're going to work a shell into this chain 2 space. So a shell for this particular coaster here is going to be 7 half double crochets into this same spot here. So we're going to work half doubles, 7 of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's 7, like that. Now we're going to start the repeat of a row 6. We're going to go right in between these 2 double V stitches from the previous row, and we're going to single crochet right in between them, just like that. And then we're going to jump over here to the next chain 2 space of the next double V stitch and work our shell. So 7 half double crochets. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then we repeat again. We need to single crochet in between the 2 double V stitches from the previous row. So right through here, single crochet, and then we work our shell into the chain 2 space of the next V stitch. And we're just going to repeat this all the way around. So 7 half doubles here, and then we single crochet in between this space. 7 half doubles, single crochet in between this space. 7 half doubles, single crochet in between that space, all the way around, and I'll meet back up with you at the end of row 6. Alright, so I made it back around. I just did my last single crochet in between my 2 double V stitches from the previous row. I'm going to go ahead and end by slip stitching into my first half double crochet. And then we want to hide any tails. We can cut this off and go along and hide any remaining tails that you have. You should have 16 of these little shells here, all the way around. Right, there you go. Now you can make as many as you want. Here's this cup has 3 in it. Let's see if I can fit 4. I don't know. I'll try. But you can do as many as you want for depending on what size cup you have. You just squish them in there. Fit 3. Yeah, just squish them. Stack them up together. Put them in your cup. It's such a cute gift. I think. Anyways, we got coffee liver. So here it is. Cute as can be. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed. You can leave a comment below. That always helps me out. That's it. Check out all my other tutorials. I have so many. And until next time, have a good day. Bye, guys.